I'm the first journalist to upgrade a laptop's graphics card with just 6 screws. This is the Framework Laptop 16, and I'm going to show you the whole process without cutting my footage at all. I'll just speed it up a tad. First, the Lego-like keyboard and touchpad come off. Just 6 screws hold it in. Here's the fancy power and data connector that lets these modular graphics cards work. This laptop has an AMD Radeon RX 7700S in it right now. Today, we're putting an NVIDIA RTX 5070 in instead. It slides right in. Then, just reverse the process. Yes, I did film the close-up separately, but it's basically the same thing. There we go. Close it up. Put the input modules back on. And wait for it to boot. We'll just twiddle our GPU, shall we? And go. But we do need the CEO's password. Little help, Nirav? And we're in. But I guess nobody's ever used the NVIDIA app on this machine before, so give me a sec to click through. There it is, RTX 5070. And yes, it can game. Framework won't let us benchmark it yet, but says the new NVIDIA card should run 30 to 40% faster than the old AMD one. Is this finally a future-proof gaming laptop?